going to do an unboxing of the R&G Adventure engine crash bars for my BMW R1250 RT. FedEx just delivered me a package. This is the package. So, open it. This is how, because it's raining, they put it in a plastic bag. And it is from a company called Twisted Throttle. But the box itself is from R&G Racing.com. Interesting. Unboxing using my box cutter. Normally I use my unboxing danger, which usually is on the desk. I don't have the desk anymore because I got rid of the desk. So we will unbox it like this, undoing it. One hand is not exactly easy. Now I ordered this just a few days ago, and they said it would be sent in 2 to 3 working days, but they sent it a bit quicker. And here is R&G bar crash bars for BMW R1250 RT 2019 in black, plus 2 Denelli 21 to 29mm tube mount kit for mounting auxiliary lights to frame and crash bars in black as well. So that's what I ordered, and I got my thumb over my address. Well, let's have a look. We got a couple of stickers, Denelli and Twisted Throttle, always good. Packing material, some more packing material, some more packing material, and some more. First thing out of the box are the engine guard frame light mounts. So there we go, that's that. And this, I need to get them out, is the engine bar. Let me close that down a bit. And this is the engine bar. They are well packed. Well packed. Don't want to damage anything. I'll just cut into this. One moment. Continued unpacking. I've taken one layer of bubble wrap off. Now I take off the next one. There. There is the engine bar unpacked.